Hi, this is Xperia 5 Mark V and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search will enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, be close and tap to OK. And after that you could see information about my battery temperature, and in my case that's 30.9 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.